Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the error in Windows, that is your Windows license will expire soon. Now this is a very common issue and it's a very easy fix, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that we want is actually reset and restart the File Explorer. So simply go to the Windows icon and find the Task Manager right here. Now once the Task Manager opens up and you see the Windows File Explorer here, simply right click it and end the task right here. Now what you will do next once you've ended the task, it's very easy. Just simply go to Run New Task and type in File Explorer .exe, and from there press OK. What this will do, it will open up a brand new Explorer file manager and it makes sure that it is fresh. Now from there we're going to the next step. Now if that didn't work, we're simply going to reset the licensing status for a Windows. Now we were going to do this by pressing a command in CMD, command prompt. So simply type in CMD, right click it and run as administrator. Now press yes and this will open up command prompt as an administrator. Now the next code we're going to write is slmgr spacebar RERM. From here press enter. What this will do, it will complete the Windows script host successfully, and now you can restart your system and check if the error still occurs. Now if the error still occurs, I'm going to show you one last method on how to fix it. Now for the method I'm going to show you next, we're going to the search bar right here and we type in gpedit.msc. Now press enter. What this will do, it will take you to the local group policy editor. Now from here we simply go down to the computer configuration, go to administrative templates. From here simply go to Windows components. Here you scroll down till you find the Windows, let's wait, Windows update right at the bottom. And from here go to legacy policies, and once you're in legacy policies, go to no auto restart when logged on users for scheduled automatic updates installations. Open it up and here press enabled, because sometimes when Windows actually restarts on its own, it starts and gives the error that you're seeing. Now simply press enabled, press apply and then press OK. And then for the last method I'm going to show you one final step that will fix it for most likely. Now for the last step, simply head down to the search bar once more. From there type in settings, and once you're in these settings simply head down to the system settings right here. From there scroll down till you find the activation tab. Now from the activation tab you should make sure that your activation status is actually active. If it isn't, simply put in a key, and from there you can actually contact Microsoft if you don't have an active key, and they will help you out with it. Now this is everything that you need to know. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe and like the video, but most importantly, thank you for watching.